Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Miles.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
USA.
That's right, this is a box from Hakubaku, USA, purveyors of fine ramen and barley products. They also make barley tea. They make this mochi barley stuff that I've done a few videos showcasing it, and it's really good. Shall we open it up and see what we got in here?
Oh,
Yeah?
yeah.
Okay. Well, first we got a letter. Should I read it?
Yes.
This is our new one-pack sets produced in Japan from our traditional recipe dating back to 1941. Wow. The new ramen flavors hold on to the traditional Japanese taste and noodle that set the Hakubaku products apart from other non-fried noodles. These are also sold in Japan. The only difference is this packaging is for the US market. Han-san, what you are getting is the real deal. We've got some new recipes using our one-pack products at hakubaku-usa.com/recipes and hope maybe some inspiration will occur. Let us know what you think, Han-san, about our new products. Looking forward to your comments and review. Very cool. I'm looking forward to trying them.
Very cool.
Very cool, yeah. Should we open it up?
Oh, yeah.
So here's the box. They mentioned there's a little easy open tab. It says shelf tray open here. So let's give that a try. All right. Hey, rad. They sent a hat. All right, there we go. Let's check out this ramen. First one we have here is their umami miso. I've been really looking forward to seeing what a miso would be like from them. I'm guessing it's going to be good. And then here's their chicken shio. And finally in here we have their umami shoyu, and their shoyu is the bomb. They also, I think they still make it, a tonkatsu, which is really, really good. I absolutely love that stuff too. All right, well, very cool. You can find out more about Hakubaku over, look them up on Amazon. You can go to hakubaku-usa.com and see all their stuff. Looks really good. You want to try it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're a picky eater, huh?
I swipe your finger.
You swipe my finger? Okay. All right, well, thanks again to the folks over at Hakubaku for sending this along. And this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Of the day.
Have a good one.